Welcome to the Power Plant's kitchen. What you see is what you get. The food's always good. The methods of cooking are a little haphazard. The mess is a given, but the food, did I already say it tastes good? Anyways, the food's gonna be good. Today, I'm gonna make chicken fried rice in front of you guys. It's healthy, obviously. It's easy to cook, so it comes together really quickly. It's healthy. No, I already said that. It's flavorful. I already said that too. Just make this chicken fried rice. It's so damn good and it's easy and it's healthy. Let's go. Step one, big pan, about medium-high heat. Add some oil to the pan. I'm buying chopped onions, chopped pepper, so chopping sucks. We all know this. Okay. That wasn't that hard. Alright, so cook these until they soften. About 5 minutes. While they're cooking, add in some coconut aminos so it gets more flavor. This is a good substitute to soy sauce. It's still going to give us that fried rice taste, but there's no soy. So there's some flavor in there. Probably some salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some garlic. Ooh, again, it's already minced. Like, how cool is that? I don't want to mince no garlic when I don't have to. So adding some fresh garlic, already minced, really nice and easy. And also some shredded carrots. Woo! Already shredded, baby. Once those are soft, actually, so it's getting softened right now, so I'm going to make sure that everything else is ready to go in. So all I need to do is get my chicken, make sure it's chopped bite size, my rice is laid out. Add the chicken and the rice. Looking a little plain, right? So I think I'm gonna add some more coconut aminos here. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, so that's all incorporated in, so we need to add the eggs and the peas. So eggs, you're gonna do this. You're gonna push everything to the side, and then you're gonna add those eggs right there in the middle and scramble them quickly. Good. So eggs are in there, it's still on high, medium high. I'm scrambling them, trying to keep them away from the rest of the stuff that's already been cooked. So you can see that the eggs have, like, I don't know, got scrambled in there. So once they're scrambled, you mix it into the whole dish. Peas. I like peas. Mix those cook really quickly. Probably need some more salt and pepper, just on a hunch. Guys, that's how you make food. Make it healthy, make it easy, make it in big amounts so that you have healthy dishes throughout the week. Like, this is like 3 or 4 servings right here, and it took no more than 10 minutes. With that, we're done. It's complete, delicious. Taste it, add more salt and pepper, maybe some more cocominos, maybe some more garlic, maybe some onion powder, or fish sauce, or ginger, or whatever you like. But super healthy, super clean eating, energy, protein, fat, all you need. 10 minutes, 1 skillet. That's the chicken fried rice.